Alright, so in this video, we'll be discussing all the buttons you can see inside your AWS console, right? So before going into anywhere, let us just click on this reset to default layout and this will reset the whole layout. So let's start from the header. So this is the AWS logo. If you click on this logo, it will take you to the home. Then all the services, like whatever services you are having inside your AWS account, you can get all the services. So recently visited services will be here, favorites. Okay, if you have any favorite services, and to make a service favorite, you just click on this star icon. It will make this service favorite, and under the favorite tab you can see this service. So this is the service tab. If you want to search the service by name, you can type any service name. Let's say IAM, go to the service from here. And next is this CLI. So if you click on this, it will give us a AWS Cloud Shell. Now let's not worry about this concept. In the upcoming videos, we'll be installing AWS CLI in our local system. So in that video, I'll explain this CLI. And after that, the notification center. So if you have any critical notification or issue in your AWS account, that will be listed here. Then some support related stuff, support center, documentation training, all this link you can get from here. Then some user settings. So you can change the theme and languages from here. Okay. So let me select the dark theme and then you can select a region. Now, if you do not understand the concept of region, that's fine. In a separate playlist, we'll be discussing about that. In this playlist, I'm just showing where are the things are present. So from here, you can choose any region you want. Then your account information, if you click here, you get your account ID, the IAM user you have logged in with. If you have logged in with your root email address, then it will show it here. Then if you click on this account, it will take you to the billing section. Okay, so that's another service. We'll be learning that in upcoming videos. So you can go from here or you can click on this billing and cost management, or you can search here as well, billing and cost management. All right. Next, organization. Like if you are running an organization and you have multiple accounts, so you can manage those from here. Service quotas. Service quotas is basically for your AWS account. There are some limitations. Okay. Let's say, for example, let's say you can create up to 1,000 Lambda functions. Okay. By default, maybe. So if you want to increase that, or if you want to place the request to increase that service quotas, you can do it from here. But for starting, this is not important. Okay. Next, billing and cost management. This will again take you to the billing and cost management console. And finally, the security credentials. Security credentials will take you to the IAM console. And switch role, like for your IAM user, you can have multiple roles. Now, if you do not understand the concept of role, that's fine. You can switch the role from here and sign out button. Okay. And in the right side, like whenever you are on a service page, at the right side, you might have this I button. So this will give you some quick tips, okay, about the widget and about the things you can see on your screen. All right. So you can get the help from here. And there's a new edition called Amazon Q. So Amazon Q is basically ChatGPT inside AWS, right? So you can ask anything to this Amazon Q and it will help you. So let's coming to the left side. So there's a panel. So this is called Console Home. So this is the Console Home. My application is also new. And right now, let's not worry about this. So you can create different application in your AWS account and you can manage those application from here. Okay. Again, the all services button. So if you click on this, you will get a list of all the services. Let me go back to the home. Now, these are all the widget. Okay. That is present here. So you can add different widget if you want. So let's say if you want to have a favorite widget, you can have that from here. Okay, you can drag and drop this widget and change the position. All right, if you do not need any widget, you can just click here and remove widget. So some of the widget won't be making sense to you for now, but that's okay. So this recently visited. So whatever services you have recently visited, that will be listed here. All right, application, again, like if you have any application, you can get a glimpse of that application from here. Cost and uses. If you have signed in as a root account, then this will make sense. But if you have signed in as an IAM user, then like you can see access denied. Okay, there's some welcome guide, AWS health, and all the other things right now, those are not important. If you want, you can just remove this. So in my personal console, I just have this recently visited and I have a favorite tab as well. And if I need any services, I just search here and I go from there. All right. So this is a short description about the Console Home.